Hi, I'm Anna from the Queensland University of Technology in Brisbane, Australia. And we're doing a study tour at the moment, bringing students from our university over to Fiji to spend some time here, meeting with organisations, local organisations that work in Fiji on lots of different topics. The students are architecture and design students, so they're learning about land, buildings, materials, climate change, and we're spending some time here in Suva, and then we're spending some time in Savu and spending some time in some villages near Savu.
Great. Hi, my name's Tia. I'm a planning student at QUT. I'd like to thank the team here for having us today. It was really insightful and amazing to learn about the different ways that land use planning and property is viewed in Fiji in comparison to where I'm from in Australia. It's very different, and it's been quite inspiring to hear how the approach is quite collaborative, really working with people, bringing them along for the journey, and the empowerment of landowners. And it's been really amazing to learn, and I'm really excited to bring my learnings back to Australia with me.
Most informative session and opportunity to learn about the complexity of land ownership here in Fiji, as well as your aspirations and development plans for the future. And I have to say, as a planner, I think what you're doing is fantastic. You're working collaboratively to empower local people to achieve better outcomes. I think that's really inspiring, and the way that you're going about it is also it's really good practice the way you're going about it. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity for us to bring students to learn from you, and just want to thank you again, and also say you have amazing staff who are great ambassadors for your organisation. Thank you.